I suppose I had that result coming. What I did to you, and I apologize.
I respect you. I had to get a nose job and go on a crazy diet to work on this world around it. And you just do it.
I have to admit, I have completely blonde.
I'm not so sure. Red, maybe.
It's a great idea.
Hey, do you like my shirt for Glee Club? One's perfect. Check out mine. What? This is perfect. Legend has it that when I came out of my mother, I told the nurse she was fat. I made a different one for you. I'm Hispanic. Wait, was that supposed to be lesbian? Yeah, isn't that what it says? When you told me all that stuff the other week, it meant so much to me. To see you be so honest. Especially because I know how bad it hurt. I was so proud of you. Yeah, well, don't get used to it. And certainly don't even think about telling anyone. Why not? You're like the most awesomest girl at the school. Why would you try to hide any of that? Dating Krowski. It's gross. You don't get to say who I date anymore. Why not? Because I'm dating somebody? Because you're Lebanese and I'm Chinese? No. Because I said I love you. You didn't say you love me back. I do love you. Clearly you don't love you as much as I do, or you put the shirt on, you would dance with me.
Listen up. You all did really good this week. It was tough, but I think we came closer as a team. I'm proud of you. And now, I'd like to be the first one to show off my custom t-shirt.